Hey there, YouTube. It's me, Lauren Cadillac and Cadillac Law. Today we are doing another episode of our multi-part series about Texas land tax exemptions. As always, nothing in this video creates an attorney-client relationship. None of this is legal advice. This is just me sharing information with you. As always, make sure you hit like, subscribe, and click on the bell, wherever it may be, so that you get notifications of our next episode in the series. We are doing a 9-part series on these exemptions, and that actually isn't all of the exemptions available, but it's the ones that would be most commonly used that I think are important to share with y'all. So today we're talking about my favorite exemption, and this is a new exemption since 2019. So they passed a law in that legislation that allowed for an heirship homestead. So if you've seen any other of my videos, you know why this would be my favorite, because I deal with heirship issues in real estate all day, every day. So what the state has allowed someone who is an heir, and that's basically typically you've moved in with mom or grandpa or someone to help them to the end of their life. And then they pass and you stay in the home. Well, while you're settling the title, which is something you can use Cadillac Law to do, you can now go and file this heirship homestead and say, I am an heir, right? I would inherit through my mom, and I am living in the property, and you can get homestead. The reason this is so awesome is because the tax man, Linebarger, the collector, will only do payment plans if it's a homestead. So before they passed this legislation, if you were an heir living in, your deceased mom or deceased dad's property, you could not get a homestead exemption because it was in their name, and therefore you could not make payments on the property taxes, and a lot of folks lost their property that way. Well, this allows you to get that homestead exemption and then enter into a payment plan with Linebarger if needed. So that is a huge improvement. It also helps you save, and make sure you watch the homestead video whenever it comes out, because it will give you all the rights of homestead. And you don't even have to have the title in your name yet. But when you're ready to do that, you make sure you give us a call, because that's what we do. All right, I hope you've learned something. Have a wonderful day and come back for our next one.